So hiking down here at Chalet is pretty tame.
Welcome back, fellow adventurers, to part 4 of the Southern Ohio Adventure Loop. Today we're going to head on down into Peach Mountain Lane and even make it all the way to Brush Creek. But first, let's take a look at how we got here. In part 1, we started in Bainbridge and went down through the Highland Nature Sanctuary, continued on to part 2, all the way down to Pike APV area, and then for part 3, we went on down to Chalet de Valle and ended up at Jaybird Road. And today we pick up where we left off, so sit back and enjoy the ride.
Here we go on Jaybird Road. Pretty sure they named this road after me. Ready to get into the good stuff. On to Beaver Pond. Very cool. To me, this is kind of the start of the S.O.A.L. It's got more soul, you might say. Coming up on a really nice hiking area. It's got a nice little loop, easy hiking, beautiful scenery. Part of it hooks up on the Buckeye Trail, which runs all over. The place is called Davis Memorial Nature Preserve, I believe. Yeah, that's what my phone says. Here is one of the ways in. All right, while you guys are watching this little hike, I'm going to have some lunch. All right, good lunch. On out and about and around the S.O.A.L. I needed that food. Peach Mountain. I don't know what goes on back there, but I'm not allowed back there. At lunch, I cranked up my rear preload on the shock, and it is handling like a dream now. running.
Okay, my apologies that I did not think to grab the GoPro and film everything that just was about to happen. So my first drone crash after owning it for a couple weeks was using the auto pilot functions and letting it fly like a circular motion. And I didn't do it right, so the drone crashed, and of course it was about 300 feet away from me, and I had no idea where it was. So for the first time, I got on the controller to find out how to track it, and it said, you need Wi-Fi connection to initialize this. So I didn't have a Wi-Fi connection on my phone, and then about that time, the drone got hot and shut itself off, so I thought it was just gone. So I drove down the road a little bit, got it activated, came back, walked over to the woods a couple times, looked for where I thought it might be, came back to the bike, and hallelujah, the controller said it found the drone. So I took off with the controller. It was really amazing how well it actually worked and led me right to the drone. There really wasn't much damage. I was really impressed. The only thing I did wrong was I did not get the GoPro out and film this all in the moment. And I've learned since to make sure you record everything if you're trying to make YouTube videos. So anyway, on with the show.
Well, I was lucky. My first drone crash. Got in a hurry, didn't assess the situation enough. When you're doing those scenic sideways shots, you really got to get it up in the air. So one of the blades has got a little cut out in it. I've got extra ones, so we'll get it whenever we get to the next, I don't know, tonight probably. Ready to cross Brush Creek. This road has always puzzled me. Of all the roads to not close down, it's so strange, but I'll take it. Wow, looking real low. I don't think I've ever seen it this low. Getting ready to go down Mount Hunger Road, which is awesome. And then Hog something Road after you go up Tobe Lewis. Oh, we got some good stuff coming. Maybe they got some stickers out, the sticker stash.